Part 4 video on Community Health Nursing 2 subject for GNM third year students. Okay, in this unit is the third unit. The unit name is the Health Planning in India. Okay, regarding that we are going to discuss. In this mainly we are going to focus on the some committees we are discussed now. Okay, in this the committee name is the Sri Mukherjee Committee. Okay, Sri Mukherjee Committee. The committee is started in the year of 1965. Okay, 1965వ సంవత్సరంలో Sri Mukherjee Committee will be started. Okay, what is the reason why the committee will be started? What are the benefits will be there for the community people? Regarding that we are going to discuss. Okay, in this mainly the committee having some components or some objectives on the family planning program. Okay, the committee members who is there in the Sri Mukherjee Committee, okay, those are work, they are full concentrate on the giving awareness on family planning. Okay, what is the family planning importance? Okay, what is the way, what is the process, who are eligibility for family planning? Okay, what are the advantages about family planning, what are the disadvantages about family planning? Okay, regarding that we are giving some awareness to the population. ఓకే, ఈ యొక్క ప్రోగ్రామ్ యొక్క ఈ కమిటీ యొక్క మెయిన్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ ద కాంపోనెంట్ ఏంటి అని అంటే ఫ్యామిలీ ప్లానింగ్ ప్రొసీజర్ గురించి, ఫ్యామిలీ ప్లానింగ్ గురించి మనకి ఏమి లాభాలు ఉన్నాయి, ఎలాంటి నష్టాలు ఉన్నాయి, ఏ టైంలో ఫ్యామిలీ ప్లానింగ్ చేయించుకోవాలి, ఎవరి ఎలిజిబుల్ కపుల్స్ ఫ్యామిలీ ప్లానింగ్ చేయించుకోవడానికి, రిగార్డింగ్ దట్ దే ఆర్ గివింగ్ ఫుల్ అవేర్నెస్ టు ద పబ్లిక్. Okay, for example who having some 1 or 2 children, those are compulsory undergone this family planning program for maintenance of normal population rate. Okay, జనాభా రేట్ని సాధారణంగా నార్మల్గా ఉంచడానికి, పెరగకుండా తగ్గకుండా ఉంచడానికి 2 చిల్డ్రన్స్ కలిగి ఉన్నటువంటి ఎలిజిబుల్ కపుల్స్ని ఈ యొక్క ఫ్యామిలీ ప్లానింగ్కి ఎంకరేజ్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా, this is the one awareness or one objective on the Sri Mukherjee Committee. Okay, next one is the here the basic health workers will be there. No, okay, in basic health workers they are utilized the purpose of other health family planning. Okay, basic health workers, they are giving some awareness, they are giving some knowledge to the community people regarding family planning importance. Okay, here the committee Sri Mukherjee Committee mainly focus on the complete eradication of malaria. Okay, malaria one disease, no, the disease will be caused due to the mosquitoes. Okay, in this what is our objective? When we will prevent mosquitoes growth, immediately automatically the malaria disease condition will be reduced. Okay, that's why for the prevention of slum areas, okay, for maintenance of environmental sanitation, okay, for maintenance of personal hygiene also. Okay, by maintenance of personal hygiene, by maintenance of environmental hygiene, for prevention of this malaria, very important method, that is the we should maintain the proper disposal of waste. Okay, what is the excreta or what is the wastage will be there? The wastage should be properly disposed by using some methods. Okay, next smallpox prevention. Okay, for leprosy is a one type of disease, no. Okay, in previous days one of the dangerous disease, that is the leprosy. Okay, nowadays many cases will be decreased. Why? Because they are following some type of precautions, how to prevent, okay, how to reduce, how to maintenance, after occurrence of disease what type of treatment, before occurrence of treatment what type of precautions we should follow, that will be give good awareness to the community people. Next trachoma also, it is also one type of disease, those are should be prevented or controlled or maintained by the this Sri Mukherjee committee in the year of 1965. Okay, next we are going to discuss about the Jangalwala committee. Okay, it is also one type of committee. Here the Jangalwala committee will be in the Central Council of Health. Okay, CCH is there, no, our health planning in India lo, in this Central Council of Health. Okay, it will be having some meeting with at the Srinagar in 1964. ఓకేనా 1964లో ఈ యొక్క జంగల్వాలా కమిటీ అనేది దేంతో మీట్ అయింది అని అంటే సెంట్రల్ కౌన్సిల్ ఆఫ్ హెల్త్. ఓకే, ఇన్ దిస్ ద జంగల్వాలా కమిటీ చైర్మన్ హూ ఈజ్ దట్ పర్సన్ మీన్స్, ఓకే, ఒక కమిటీని, ఒక స్కూల్ని, ఒక కాలేజ్ని ఏదో ఒక దాన్ని స్టార్ట్ చేసామంటే కంపల్సరీ వన్ ఫౌండర్ ఆర్ వన్ చైర్మన్ ఆర్ వన్ డైరెక్టర్ విల్ బి దేర్, నో. హియర్ ద Jangalwala committee chairman will be, the person is the Dr. N. Jangalwala. Okay, their name itself they are started one committee. అంటే వాళ్ళ పేరు మీదుగా వాళ్ళు కమిటీస్ని స్టార్ట్ చేశారు. ఓకే, శ్రీవాస్తవ్ కమిటీ, శ్రీ ముఖర్జీ కమిటీ, నెక్స్ట్ బోర్ కమిటీ, సర్ జోసెఫ్ బోర్, లైక్ దట్. హియర్ ఆల్సో Jangalwala committee will be there. Okay, here the committee chairman is the Sir Jangalwala. Okay, here the director National Institute of Health. Okay, director National Institute of Health. Here what they are doing means administration and education. Okay na, if the people will be suffering with the any type of disease means they are giving some administrations or they are giving some treatment to the sick people. Okay, next they are giving some education also, means if they are not having sufficient knowledge on the particular topic means they are giving some awareness by providing mass media communication. Okay, mass media communication means single time or within short period many number of people will be received that same information. Okay, for example television, newspapers, radio. ఓకే, ఏదైనా ఒక ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మనము తక్కువ సమయంలో ఎక్కువ మందికి స్ప్రెడ్ చేయాలి అని అంటే వీ షుడ్ యూజ్ మాస్ మీడియా కమ్యూనికేషన్. ఓకే, టేప్ రికార్డ్, మైక్స్ ఆర్ టెలివిజన్ ఆర్ న్యూస్ పేపర్స్ ఆర్ ప్రింటెడ్ మెటీరియల్స్. ఓకే, విత్ ఇన్ షార్ట్ పీరియడ్ మెనీ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ విల్ బి రిసీవ్డ్ సేమ్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఆర్ సేమ్ అవేర్నెస్ ఎట్ ఏ టైమ్. Okay, that's why we should use the some mass media communication. Here the New Delhi is examined various programs or problems. Okay, in our community what are the problems will be there, they are having some survey. Okay, they are doing some survey and they are give some report, they are prepared some report, they are submit to report to the central government. Okay, in our state what are the problems will be there. Okay, in our state, in district level or in regional level or in local level, okay, what are the repeated or major problems will be there. Okay, the problems should be, what is the reason for arising of problem. Okay, by improper personal hygiene or by improper safe drinking water or by improper environmental hygiene. Okay, what is the reason for attack of disease. Okay, like that they are prepared some report and they are submit to the central government from the state government. Okay, this is regarding Jangalwala committee. Next we will move on to the Kartar Singh. Okay, the Kartar Singh also started in the year of 1973. Okay, in this the committee will be started which year? Kartar Singh committee ఏ year లో స్టార్ట్ అయింది? 1973 లో. Okay, here the government of India is constituted the committee in the 1972. Okay, the committee name another, that is the multi-purpose workers under the health and family planning. Okay na, here they are having work multi-purpose, not single. Only we are providing only children specialty or not gynec specialty or only medical department, like that they are not having any specialty. They are having some work multiple choices. Okay, multi-speciality work, multiple work will be there in the society. Okay, next here the committee, Kartar Singh committee chairman. Okay, who is the chairmanship of committee means Kartar Singh. Okay, Kartar Singh is the chairmanship of కార్తార్ సింగ్ కమిటీ. ఓకే, ఆ కమిటీకి అతని పేరు మీదుగా పేరు వచ్చింది కాబట్టి తను ఆ యొక్క కమిటీకి చైర్మన్ అయ్యారు. ఓకే, ఏ ఇయర్లో? 1973లో. ఓకే, హియర్ ద బెనిఫిట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద కార్తార్ సింగ్ కమిటీ, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ మీన్స్? auxiliary nurse and midwifery staff will be there, no? Okay, for supervision of ANMs or for replacement of ANMs means sometimes they are having some retirement or they are having some gynec leaves. Okay, or they are having some personal work. Okay, like that some leave adjustment will be there or some recruitment will be there, means the recruitment will be done by these Kartar Singh committee. Okay, they only doing some proposal for replacement or recruitment. Okay, next some basic health workers or the malaria surveillance. Okay, in this vaccinators nothing but these also one type of members, they are doing some vaccines. Okay, in previous videos we are discussed, you know, vaccinators means vaccines ఇచ్చేవాళ్ళు. Okay, who are the administration or vaccine distributors, vaccine suppliers. Okay, those members were called as the vaccinators. Okay, they are supplying vaccines to the staff and children. Okay, who is needed some vaccines? From the children to newborn to up to 10 years of age group children, they are need compulsory vaccines. Okay, for prevention of communicable diseases. Okay, next one is here the staff will be replaced by sometimes female health workers having some problems in their personal or some type of work will be there, some busy schedule will be there. Immediately the Kartar Singh should be replaced by male health workers. Okay, next one is in PHC, primary health centers is there, no? The primary health center should be covers 50,000 of population. Okay, minimum 50,000 of population they should be covered for providing quality of care, for maintenance of health, for reducing their diseases, for improving their health. Okay, for prevention of diseases. Regarding that they are having some work. Next here the PHC, each PHC divided 16 subcenters. Okay, one PHC is divided as like 16 subcenters. Okay, in this the subcenters, 16 subcenters will be there, no? Okay, they are covered 3000 to 3500 population. ఓకే, ఒక పిహెచ్సి 16 సబ్ సెంటర్లుగా డివైడ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, అంతేకాకుండా వాళ్ళు ఎంత పాపులేషన్ కవర్ చేస్తారు అంటే 3000 to 3500 పాపులేషన్ షుడ్ బి కవర్డ్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద మెంబర్స్ ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఏ టీమ్. Okay, who is the members that Kartar Singh committee? Those members are formed like some team. Okay, in male team will be there, means the male supervisors will be there. Okay, 3 to 4 members of male supervisors will be there for supervision of male staff. Okay, if female supervisors will be there, means 3 members will be there, they are supervision of female health workers. Okay, here the Kartar Singh committee will be started at the year of 5th 5-year plan. ఐదవ పంచవర్ష ప్రణాళిక టైంలో ఈ యొక్క కార్తార్ సింగ్ కమిటీ విల్ బి స్టార్టెడ్ ఎట్ ద ఇయర్ ఆఫ్ 1973. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ రిగార్డింగ్ these 3 committees. First one is the Sri Mukherjee committee in the year of 1965. Next one is the Jangalwala committee in the year of 1964. Next Kartar Singh committee in 1973. Okay, their name itself, the committees will be there. Sri Mukherjee committee chairman, Sri Mukherjee. Next Jangalwala committee chairman, Jangalwala. Kartar Singh committee chairman, Kartar Singh. Okay.